healthy cooking, languages, personal finances, and even physical exercises for seniors, the Nuevo Tiempo Space in Uruguay's capital has several free classes for anyone looking to level up their skills and be healthy.
Elena White said that in large cities there are certain people who cannot be reached by traditional evangelism in churches. Because of this, she advocated for the creation of holistic centers with the goal of connecting the church to the needs of each region. And that is precisely what the Seventh-day Adventist Church has done in Montevideo, the capital of Uruguay.
For now, we have one in the Cordon neighborhood. We have language classes. We also have languages for children. We have nutrition courses for children. We also have a very fun workshop for grandparents, which is more of a social aspect, where we also practice motor skills, memory, and more. We also have mental health activities. We have had workshops on suicide prevention, also on mental health care, with a very nice course called Your Mind Matters. So, we also take advantage of special dates when people are more predisposed to talk about those topics, and we also offer some short courses that may be of interest to people.
Pastor Juan David Mejia, in charge of the activities at the Nuevo Tiempo Space in downtown Montevideo, confirms the success of the Influence Center.
Most of the people who come to the courses are not Adventists, so the only Adventists are those who receive the course, but not the other people. Mine, of the people here, but not so much the adults in their physical part. So, that has opened the doors for quite a few adults to come and share. Sometimes there have been 12, 15 people.
Luis Alonso is a regular attendee of one of the classes at the Nuevo Tiempo de Cordón space, and he affirms that everything is very enjoyable and that he wants to stay longer in the space.
Yes, it is very enjoyable. In addition, we feel very good and always want to stay for more than an hour. But logically, sometimes it is not possible. We share what each one can bring, what Romina does, and what Will does. Yes, I think it's fine. Logically, everything they have tried to culturalize us in that sense. Everything seems fine to us. The games even are participatory. We all participate, and for some reason we always want to stay longer.
The biggest courses we have are for adults, and some specifically for the elderly or grandparents, who are also people who may feel lonely. Maybe they have already raised their family, they have their own things, and many times they say, well, if I don't come here every week, I feel like something is missing. So we really see that it is a course that is very nice, and they are instances that also help people to feel loved and accompanied, which is also what Jesus did.